Hi everyone, Izumi here. Today I'm going to show you how to add your properties on Bereev. So the first thing you want to do is go to Categories and look for Assets. Let's go there. Under Assets, currently you will see Properties and Vehicles. We'll show you how to add vehicles in a separate video. But let's go to Properties first. Let's click on Edit. Alright, and let's click on Add Property. So here you want to list down all of the important or essential information about this particular property. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's give this property a name. Next one is to choose what type of property it is. I should say this is a condo. And the ownership status, is this your own house or are you renting it from someone else or what? So let's just say it's mine. You also have the option to add the address right here, or you can skip it. And if you have any special notes, you can actually write them here. Let's just say you're renting this property out to a bunch of students and you want your family to know, you can just add them right here. Once you're done, review all the information and then click on Next. Alright, so this step here is where you can add any important attachments. So let's just say your house grant or even your tenancy agreement, any of the important documents that your family should have, you can add them right here. So let's just say I have property insurance for this. Let me just add that. And I can add more right here. But if I'm done, I can just click on Add. Okay, so that's it. Our condo has been added right here. It's now currently under the properties list. The next step you want to do is you can click on that particular property. Alright, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You will see a section known as Utilities. So this is where you can add any important information or file regarding the bills that has to be paid for this property. So let's just say your electricity bill, your water bill, internet, anything that your family should know, you can just add them right here. So let's go ahead and add a prop utility. So let's just say this is the water bill, and this is provided by Shabazz. I can put down my account number right here. If you have any attachments, add it here or skip it. Once you're done, click Add. And you can even add more. So let's just say after I'm done with water, let's add electricity. This is TNB. My account number. Again, attachments or skip. Once you're done, click Add. So that's it, guys. It's so simple. Now my condo is listed properly. All the essential information is listed here. There are important documents also attached right here, and any utility bills I have for this particular property is at the bottom. If you want to edit it, just go to Edit right here, or if you want to remove this, you can just click Remove, and that's it. So that's it, guys. It's so easy to list down all your properties on Bereev. And if you're wondering why you should do this, think about this. So in future, when your kids or family members inherit your house or inherit your properties, they need to know how to maintain those properties or how to care for it. So adding those information on Bereev will help shed some light on that, so that they will not be lost and they will know exactly what they need to do. That's it from me today. I'll be back again soon with another easy tutorial on how to use Bereev. Bye-bye.